Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI.
These Hylaea non-slip grip socks I have been using now for months and I really like them. I love the thickness of them as they are super comfortable, but I also find that the grip is exactly what I needed. There is no slip ever. And I bought these 3 pairs in black, so I really appreciate that it comes with this mesh bag. So I put them in there and I know where they are at all times because I do have to just pick them up and go, as I mostly use these socks for Pilates. And again, I found that the grip strength, there's no slipping, it's just perfect for what I need it for. I also love that I found a different use for these socks. I have a walking pad and I'm a big no shoes on in the house kind of person, so I was looking for something to help with my walking pad, and these socks are perfect. It's not only just for Pilates, but for this as well.
So if you're looking for some good quality grip socks that are really comfortable, then you're gonna love these. But that's just my point of view.